I have 3 injectors up here with some spray patterns. Let's start on this one right here. This is the normal spray pattern. This is what it should look like. Even fuel distribution, optimal atomization, and perfect performance. This car right here, well, it's running good. This one here, well, it's partially clogged. May not be the end of the road there. You may be all right. Just get some reduced performance and carbon buildup. You might have a misfire, maybe not. Just depends on how clogged it is. This one on the end here, though, that's it. That's going to be a total misfire. That's going to be a dead cylinder. It's totally clogged up. It's not spraying. Welcome to this AMSOIL tech tip. That's right, we're talking injectors, and how are we going to keep them clean to make sure that they're spraying right? Well, what is an injector? Well, you can see it here. It's fuel injection. We started at the top here left with the throttle body injection on top, then we went to multi-port injection down there, and now we're to direct injection. How do they work? Well, they let the fuel flow through there. How do they do that? Well, you can see right here that you got a battery and 12 volts. Electromagnetism is going to pull that injector open when the computer grounds it, and then the fuel's allowed to go through. Now, when he wants it closed, he just opens up the circuit, and when he opens up the circuit, bam, it closes down. You have no fuel flow, but it has to be clean to get the fuel flow through there. You can see I got a couple injector spray patterns here, and on the injector spray patterns, you can see the 2 right there are spraying really, really well. But you get down to the end over here, you can see this one. That's like that second pattern there. Len, that's going to cause some problems. How do we get that injector clean or even keep it clean in the first place?
Well, fuel additives are the ultimate answer there. When you've gotten to that point, fuel additives are where you want to go. We should kind of talk about gasoline in general. Cleanliness standards, detergency levels in gasoline are a minimum standard. You need to be at least this in order to sell gasoline. So there's always room for improvement. So we've got a full line of fuel additives that can help get in there, increase the concentration level on some of the detergency additives of the gasoline, and keep those injectors clean.
Now, like going to the dentist one every 10 years to get a cavity filled, what do you want to maintain this yearly or every tank? How do you do it?
It depends. Whether you're diesel, whether you're gasoline, whether you're small engines, we've got something for everybody. We've got our upper cylinder lubricant. That is every tank. Our quick shot, mainly for small engines and classic cars, that can be every tank. That's a constant treat. Our performance improver, that one is highly concentrated. That's once every 4,000 miles. That's got some really, really concentrated stuff in there to keep that system very, very clean. Our diesel additives, same deal. We've got them from every tank to every so many tanks.
Well, absolutely. You know, I got a computer simulator here and an injector. And what I want you to do, I want you to hear 100 pulses of the injector. Listen to this. Now, you just heard 100 pulses. You want to make sure that the fuel's flowing through there correctly. And you can use these products and find them at AMSOIL.com and do just that.